one project which is pedestrian detection system. So what is actually a pedestrian detection system? All of us know that what is a pedestrian means. Pedestrian means people in the road, people in anywhere. So basically this project help you to detect people in the road, which is basically a safety security project. For an example, suppose you have built an accident alert and location system project. So this will help a car, if the car accident will happen or not happen, it will primarily detect that in the front of the car, the pedestrian will, how much distance the pedestrian is there. So this is a really cool project. Also in the home, you can see in the outside, is there any pedestrian or not, who is coming at your doorsteps, and the smart door projects, this is called. Yeah, so here is a full code example. I know that the whole project concept is understand, and so here is the code. And first of all, this is using the import CV2 because OpenCV library, which will turn on the camera to see the pedestrian in front of you or in front anywhere. So using the Haar Cascade full body XML, so it will in this classifier all the functionalities are written here, which will detect the. So I'm just showing the code, not explaining whole the code. You can just see the code and understand. If you not understand, then I will explain you can comment it which line you are facing problem, then I will explain it to you. And this is a really very cool projects for your university project competitions, as well as any here project competition. You can use as a partial options, as a partial options, like in the accident alert system you can add these options to there, like this way. And also you can see, if you are in the first year, then you can show the project to your faculties also. Yeah, so here is the full code. I will upload the code on a drive file, and I will mention it on the description. You can download the code and just download the Haar Cascade full body XML. I will also give you the link of the Haar Cascade in the XML, so you can download it to by there. And right now the time is to show the project. Yeah, so I'm just running the code, and yeah, the camera is opened using the OpenCV library, and right now it's not detecting any pedestrian, right? So for my light issue, so sorry for the light issue, it will some point it will not detect because the camera is using the laptop camera and this is not perfect. Yeah, you know, I know. So you can see like it will detect the pedestrian, means you can see that the pedestrian is detecting 1 2 3 like that. If the concept is more very advanced concept, you can use this concept like you can use this concept like via using a better optimized hardware as well as the software integration. Here is a more optimized code, and more optimized code here I have written. Also the one audio will be played here, means one audio which will also I have included some pre-processing enhancement as well as dynamic parameters like scale factor, as well as scale factors of mean neighbors, and as well as bounding box refinement versus thickness, the proportional frame size for better visualization. When I just turn on the camera, then it will show like the better visualization as a frame, right? So also have efficient display updates. So optimized OpenCV drawing means what are the drawing, like it will not overlap with any other pedestrians, which will basically a huge enhancement for this code and optimized code. And I hope this video will helpful for you, and for further update I will update the code and I will post any kind of projects for your university exam and anywhere you can send for the research. Yeah, thank you very much. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then keep subscribe and like, comment, share. Thank you.